Hi, thank you for coming to this car safety tip and tool. Do you know what this is? Do you know if you need one? Does it look familiar? It probably doesn't because your car does not come equipped with one of these. But happens to be a life-saving tool as well as a non-slip grip for getting in and out of the car. More popularly used for transferring seniors or children in and out of a car to make it easier. This end of the tool, which has a little grip on it, it has this tool here, which is a razor. If you were to be trapped in your vehicle and need to unfasten your seatbelt, you could quickly cut the seatbelt by inserting it here and hauling this across to cut the seatbelt and in an emergency. Also, it's not very expensive at all. I got this on Amazon and I'll leave the link below. It was about $11. It also has a flashlight in the top, operate by this switch. And this is probably the most single important part of this tool. This edge, as you see, it's sharp, and in an emergency, if you were underwater or if you were trapped in the car and you needed to get out of the window, you could strike the window with this and break it. That's what this tip is for. So I got this mainly because caring for my loved one who has dementia and has a little trouble getting in and out of my SUV. It helps her to position herself and get in and out of the car with less effort, and it helps both of us. I don't have to lift her, she can hold on to this. It's a nice soft grip. It comes in blue and I believe red. But colors of no object if it's for your safety. So then they have the instructions that comes with it, and basically it says it's a non-slip, has a non-slip grip, is comfortable to hold, gives you the leverage to lift yourself up, stores away easily in your door or glove box. So yes, you do have to remove it from the latch on the door before you close the door. Don't forget that part. It wouldn't let you close the door anyway, but you would have to remove it. The car, you insert the handle into the door latch, and you'll see it here. That's the little metal part where your door latches to close and lock. And then the handle is right there. And this is an example of hold on to the car handle to support yourself when getting out of your car. And then it tells you about the LED flashlight. It tells you it uses 2 batteries, and it has the handle blade. So it's a great tool to have, and I would say if you don't have one, consider getting one, especially if you live in Florida or anywhere that has a lot of water around, because you just never know. And if you don't use it for yourself, you may be able to assist someone else who has gone into the water. So again, get this nice handle to assist getting in and out. A tool to break the window if you need to, if you become trapped or someone is trapped. and of course a flashlight so that you can see what's going on around you as well. So thank you for coming. Please consider, look for the links below. I got it on Amazon, and about $10 or $11 again. And be safe and think safety first. Keep one of these in your car. It stores well in the door, or you can put it in the glove box to have handy. Thank you for coming. See you in the next one. Bye.